Hello friends and welcome back to the Recliten channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS A31 dual panel panoramic chassis for RTX motherboard. So friends, the ASUS has rolled out dual panel panoramic sunroof with focus on functionality. The dual panel design support ATX motherboard and high-end components, and it can handle a 360 mm EA cooler, even those with thicker radiator and fans. And there is a plenty of room for long graphics card up to 380 mm, and you can also install up to 7 120 mm fans along with a triple fan 360 mm cooling solution. And the chassis feature an angle-based and dual-side tempered glass panel offering a clear view of your build while keeping the structure strong even though the pricing details were not providing in the release. So friend, the front panel is packed with connectivity option. You get two USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type A port, one USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type C port, and combined headphone and microphone jack with data speed up to 20 Gbps and hook up to right motherboard. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.